Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Motorola G85 and here's another very useful tip that I'm going to share with you all. Today I'll be showing you how you can add calling cards to each and every one of your contacts in your phone. Okay, so it's real simple to do. Just follow the steps that I'm about to show. So open up the dialer, then select the three little pins up here in the top left hand corner, then select contacts, and then here you will see a list of all your contacts. So I'm just going to choose my brother's contact details, Jerome. Okay, so this is his contact details. So just simply press the little pencil there, and then here you will see the picture and calling card option. So if you select the little picture, you can either take a picture of him by opening up the camera, or if you already have a picture of the person, just open up the gallery. If you've already got a picture saved in your gallery, just open it up and select the person. So I'm going to select my brother. And then once you've chose the person, just go ahead and select choose. And you'll then see the person's picture here. Or you can choose a picture from your Google Photos, if you have any pictures saved within the Google Photos. Or you can choose the monogram option. So here, if you select the little round window there, you can select emoji or monogram, and then just select the little window and select an emoji to choose. And you can change the background colors. And you can also turn on the monochrome. And there's loads of background colors to choose from. Or if you want, you can choose an illustration. And there's loads of different illustrations that you can choose from. So for example, if I want to choose the honeybee, I would just simply select choose. And then as you can see, it's now been added to the picture. And then here we have the calling card. And once again, you can open up the camera, take a picture of a person, or if you already have a picture of a person saved within your gallery, like I do, I would simply choose his picture. And here you can change the font. And you can also change the color of the font. And there's loads of different colors to choose from. And then just go ahead and hit done. And then it will ask you also use as contact picture. Set this image as both contact picture and calling card. So it's up to you. You can use both for the picture and the calling card. You can use this picture for both the picture and the calling card. And if you want, you can just skip it. It's up to you. And then just hit save once you're satisfied. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So that's how you add calling cards to each of your contacts. So all you have to do is just go through each of your contacts and and just simply add the calling cards. Obviously, it's going to take a long time, but yeah, that's how you add the calling cards to your contacts on the Motorola G85. Hope this video helped you out. If it did be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.